Peace, 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 family. Essie the Homesteader bringing you guys some updates after Mother Nature came through the other night. Uh, so Sunday it pound down raining from the morning until the late mid. I think it was probably early Monday morning, and I mean it poured down raining. So I wanted to bring you guys an update on the salad bar grow table. I had a lot of germination from the rainfall. Now this one is really doing its thing. I don't know what the other one is doing because I haven't seen anything germinate over there. And it's been pretty warm, but I'm not seeing anything over here just yet. So if I don't see anything within another week or two, I'll probably resow some more variety of lettuce in this one here. But let me take you guys out to the yard because Mother Nature did her thing. All right, you guys, look here. So this is the okra raised bed, and y'all see how much it has grown since Sunday. This is all from Sunday rain. Storms came through and they did not let up until early morning Monday, probably about, I would say about 4 a.m. It was so much wind, thunder, lightning. The house was shaking. It was crazy. But I knew that Mother Nature was going to give me everything that I needed, and not just me. Everything that the world needed right now was that living waters. So over here we had some more germination, and over here we had some more. And this is, I believe, this side is my cucumbers and watermelon. Still waiting on this pot right here. It's moving slow over here. Man, look at the beans, y'all. Look at this. Isn't that not awesome? Just awesome. Just awesome. So I got all my seeds in just in time. Now over in my pepper lane, they are moving very slow as far as germination. I haven't seen any germination in my pepper buckets as of yet. But also, we had a lot of the onions have germinated. And I had to come in here and weed out a little earlier today. But overall, the onions are germinating, which is on the right side of this raised bed. And then over on this side, we have the garlic. So we're still waiting on the garlic. We're going to see what the garlic do. And this is a green onion that came back from probably last year. But overall, everything is doing really great. So that is the okra. And that is a variety of green beans. Okay, so let's come over here. And this is on the other side of the raised bed area, which is a variety of cucumbers and watermelon. My sugar snap peas haven't popped through yet, but look at my butternut squash and my spaghetti squash. This bucket is moving slow. This one is doing its thing. That one over there is doing its thing. And then this one over here is doing its thing. And that one as well. Super exciting. That one as well. This one over here inside the raised bed area is doing its thing. And here. Look at this, y'all. How about that? Now this is the squash raised bed, which I think I did either 3 or 4 variety of squash. They are ready to take off. Ready to take off. So this is very exciting. I feel like something's falling on me. Okay. Now, I'm still waiting for some germination from the corn. Let's see over here. I don't see anything just yet. Not yet. But I'm gonna patiently wait and see what this corn do over here. All right. Let's walk down here to the baby pool. I think I brought you guys some footage on the baby pool. Now, this one is doing its thing over here. That one has the greens and the tender greens in there. I think I see a little germination, maybe one over there. This is the cabbage baby pool. Still waiting on some germination over here. And from me looking from over the fence, I think I do see, y'all see that? That's the pak choi bin. So it's finally germinating. Y'all see them? That's the pak choi. Now, all of the transplants are doing really good. They enjoyed that rainwater. They looking really, really strong. I'm gonna have to get some support from for them, and keep them strong. But they seem to be happy. This one is really taking off. Okay, and that bin over there is the Swiss chard, which I'm not seeing any germination in that yet, but hopefully soon. Oh wow, yeah, the pak choi is really taking off, you guys. Y'all probably can see it from here. I'm on the outside of the fence right now, but y'all see them? Yay! Okay, so now I'm waiting for some germination in this area where I did plant some more beans in this area right here. And that back raised bed is where I did the variety of eggplants. So I'm waiting on some germination over there. But as you can see, the greens are still trying to grow. I'll probably toss out some more fertilizer around them, and also give them some 511 and try to keep them going, but they're probably not going to make it through the summer. They're probably going to wilt. But overall, everything is looking really good. The 2 raised beds over here, which had the peppers and the leeks, I'm not seeing anything just yet. And I see I have to weed out again over in that area. And I'm going to get that done. But look at all the seeds that have germinated in here, in this bucket over here. I don't know how many seeds I put in here, probably about 10. And I really forgot what is in this bucket. It's probably watermelon or cucumbers. I will figure it out as time goes by. All right, you guys. So I just wanted to bring you guys an update on what's happening on the homestead after Mother Nature came through. Things looking really good. All right, family. So this is Essie the Homesteader. I hope everybody is having a happy Tuesday and everybody is being safe. Um, and I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you to all my new subscribers, and if you are new to my channel, make sure you thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and tune in to Essie's Homestead. And I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.